Hello, I'm in a 2018 Nissan Altima, and today I'm going to show you how to fold down and up your seats. So for these rear seats, we'll actually have to open the trunk. So you can find that trunk release right here. So now I'll go open the trunk. And with this open, you're going to see two levers here, one for each seat. So this is the seat on the left, this is the seat on the right. So we'll pull these. And now that those are pulled, you should see that this is lower now. And that's where it's hooked onto. It's hooked right into here, so that's where that release was we just pulled. And then same, since I pulled both sides, both of these will fold down now. When you want to fold these back up, double check that your seatbelt's not trapped on either side. You can just pull them up over as you push it back. But you could hear it's locked back in place now, so this is now locked in place. And then same thing for this passenger side. Make sure your seatbelt's not trapped as you pull it back up. And then that'll also lock back in place. That little click locks it in, and then you can just fold this back up. And then for the driver's side here, to move this seat around, this, if you can see, it's moving it forward as I push this way, and make it go back, just push that way. This one just adjusts the firmness of the back. And then this one, if you pull it or push it, so if you push it forward, the whole seat slides forward. And if you push it backwards, the whole seat slides back. And then for your passenger side, head over here and you'll see there's this lever here that lets this go forward, and then to make it go back, while this is lifted, typically with two hands, you'll just push the seat back. And then make sure this goes down so it's locked in place again. And to slide the whole seat forward and back, you lift this lever up, and then you can pull the seat forward or back. But I hope all this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.